it is time to talk about our calendar. So what month are we in? Right, we're still in August. And what year is it? 2020, you got it. All right, let's figure out today's date tag. I filled in the 2 for the weekend. Hopefully you had a great one. And let's try to figure out what date tag we're going to have here without going back through the whole month of date tags. So if we look at like the last 3, we have a circle, then a square, then our first triangle. So what shape would come after our first triangle? If you said another triangle, I'm very impressed. Good job. All right, we're going to move over a triangle. And then what number comes after 30? Ooh, that's tough. Why don't we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. All right, I'm going to put this in my box here so that I can add a 31. Slide him over and down. And there we go. Let's say our date. Today is August 31st, 2020. All right, let us write the date. So I'm going to start with a capital letter. Oh, I did not mean to write in white. That's going to be interesting. We're going to switch that over to black. I'm going to start with a capital A because it's the name of the month. U-G-U-S-T. What goes after I write the month? The finger space, right? Then I'm going to look at the date tag for today, which has a 31 on it. So I'm going to write that next. And then I need a comma. And then what comes after that? Another finger space. And then I need to write the year, which is 2020. So today's date is August 31st, 2020. To figure out the day of the week, we're going to go to today's date tag, go straight up. And what is today's day of the week? Right, it's Monday, which starts with a capital M because it's the name of the day of the week. M-O-N-D-A-Y. So we know today is Monday, August 31st, 2020. All right, let's go back up to the calendar. We know today's Monday. If I go back one, that tells me what yesterday was. What was yesterday? Think. Yesterday was Sunday. All right, if I go back to today and I go forward one, what's tomorrow? Think. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Let's sing our Days of the Week song. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. And how many days of the week are there? 7. Let's sing our months of the year song. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. And how many months do we have in a year? We have 12. And what number is August? It's the 8th month. Let's count to 100. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Nice. All right, remember, or let's see if you do remember, when a number has teen in it, what number does it start with? It starts with a 1. Look at this, all these teen numbers, they all start with a 1. And then 11 and 12, what number do they start with? They start with a 1 also. Good. And how many days were we in school yesterday? 30. That's right, we had 3 towers of 10. All right, so if I want to see how many days I'm in school today, I'm going to add one more linking cube to my extra pile. So he's going to go right here. All right, how many towers of 10 do I have now? Right, I still have 3, so I'm going to keep that 3. But now, how many extras do I have? Yes, I have 1. So I'm going to erase this 0, and I'm going to add a 1. So now how many days have I been in school? 31. 31 days.